Imagine transforming your widest creative visions into stunning realistic images. With Midjourney, the possibilities are endless. Today, we're diving deep into the art of composition and lighting to help you elevate your Midjourney creations. So let's start from the art of composition. Composition is the arrangement of elements in a frame. Different compositions can evoke different moods and emotions. So here on the screen, you'll have different types of compositions relating to the positioning of an object in a frame. So let's start and try to create the first image with the composition. Again, we need to start with the image prompt. Image prompt is that exact imagine word in the beginning of the prompt. And here we can write a description. We need to add the composition in the end as we did with style in the previous video. This is our result. Let's try, for example, a full body. Here is our result. It made it not perfectly because full body we can see on the second picture or on the fourth one. First and the third picture, we cannot see the full body. And let's try another one. Let's here add a landscape. Here it is. I needed to add a realistic style in the end as well to make it more realistic. We have variations of compositions as well, depending on the angle. It can be high angle, low angle, or profile, for example. And we can also use different compositions in the same description. So, for example, it can be full body, high angle. Let's try it. Again, we need to start with imagine. And here is our result. And let's now practice a little bit more on styles and try to add here a style as well. So let's copy our description, type imagine, and let's add here watercolor paints. Let's see. And here is our result. Looks amazing. And let's now move to the impact of lighting. Different lighting can create different mood and atmosphere of an image. We can differ lighting by two types, in terms of temperature or quality. Talking about temperature, we have cold or warm lighting. When I'm thinking about the warm lighting, I'm thinking about my childhood room in my parents' house. So let's try it. Here is our result. Looks very cozy. And now let's try cold lighting. If I'm thinking about cold lighting, I'm thinking about early spring evening. So let's try it. And here is our result. As you can see, warm lighting use all colors which are closer to orange, and cold lighting use all colors which are closer to blue. And we can differ another type of lighting. It's soft and harsh lighting. Soft lighting, again, as a warm lighting, can create more natural and cozy atmosphere. When harsh lighting, often used in horror movies or thriller movies to make atmosphere more dark, let's say. So let's try to create two different portraits using these different types of lighting. So here it is. It created results in very cozy colors. Let's try the same description with hard lighting. And here is our result. We can see that all lines of a face stands out much more than on previous pictures. And those one looks not as cozy as previous one. And let's try to add here cold lighting to check if it will look more dramatic. Don't forget to add imagine as I did. And here is our result. I would tell that those three pictures are still more in warm colors than in cold ones, but the first one is really close to the result I wanted to receive. But they definitely look more dramatic. In first result, all these pictures could be used in a romantic movie. Those ones would better be used in some drama. And And you can always add styles in your descriptions, as I already told you in previous video. Experiment with different prompts using different compositions, lighting, and styles, and send me your creative ideas. See you in the next video.